All right, y'all, back at you. Today we're going to be talking about, we're going to do a little pool garden tour, right?
Yeah, for Lanai.
Yeah, and we're going to be talking about how we actually did all of these little garden beds for free. We got all these plants for free. How'd we do that?
Plant Pirates.
Yeah, if you guys check out our other videos, we have a whole series called Plant Pirates, where we go around our community collecting plants from people's landscape debris piles, and then we bring them back to life and use them around our property. So first off the bat, you can see we're in our pool area here, and we have this screen over us, so that it's great. It keeps leaves out of our pool and it keeps bugs out and stuff, but it also means that we can't have plants, we can't grow edibles and stuff like that that need pollinators.
Yes. Because
they can't get in here. And which means including my wife's beloved butterflies and all of the plants that go along with those. We can't really have them in here because there's really no way for pollinators to get in here. And so that's one challenge or I don't know, thing that we have to think about when we're planting stuff in here. The other one is that we don't want plants that drop a lot of stuff every day that'll end up in the pool, clogging the pool filter and everything. So, unfortunately we can't have hibiscus in here, or, I don't know, some of the other plants that drop a lot of stuff. So we had to be choosy with the plants that we have in here. But you can see, let's go ahead and give them a tour, sweetie, and you can see the plants we chose. These are all pretty low maintenance, not messy plants.
So we have variegated snake plant, a bunch of different kinds of variegated bromeliads.
This guy looks rough, but we just got it out of a trash pile this past week.
Yes.
So
these we've had for a couple weeks.
Yeah.
These are really pretty.
Probably had those for 3 weeks now in the ground.
Actually, we left some of those behind. I'm kind of bummed that we did because this one's so pretty.
We got a couple more varieties right here.
Here's like a bright pink one and a light pink one.
You guys can see they fill up with water, and occasionally we'll catch our dog out here drinking out of the bromeliads. But
I think frogs lay their eggs in there.
No, I believe it.
And they have little tadpoles in them. I don't think that's here though. I think that's more in like Central America.
Gotcha. And then we got this banana pup that we got off another banana. What kind of banana is this?
That is a dwarf Iholine.
Dwarf Iholine. Okay, so we didn't find that in someone's landscape pile, but we did get it as a pup off of one of our other bananas. So I'm going to call that a free plant. And then same with this one right here. I don't think this one came out of a landscape pile.
No, we had these here when we moved here.
Well, no. I cut this off of that one over there. And then planted it over here. But we can call this a free plant too, because we propagated that from one of our other plants. So.
Yeah.
All right, what do we have in this bed over here?
We have some more snake plants. This type of snake plant is a much more vigorous grower. Let me also add, these plants also need to be plants that can withstand squirt guns from the boys.
Oh, that's true. And chlorine
and everything.
Yeah, so these, especially the ones right by the pool here, if we have a plant in here that fails because the kids are splashing on it, it's just, we're going to replace it. Yeah, we're not going to sit out here and say, no,
We lecture them enough as it is.
So these things right here are tough as nails. These are just one of the, and they'll grow in full shade or full sun. I mean, they'll grow in a mall up in Alaska or down here in our yard in Florida. They're just crazy. A lot of people complain
about them, but they're really easy to dig up. They grow really fast, so I think people don't like that. But man, look at that pattern.
Yeah, they're real cool. And then next to it, we have one of our favorites, a Hawaiian Thai. And if you watch our Plant Pirate series, we get these every week, and you literally can just pop these in the ground without any roots or anything, right, babe?
Yep, you could cut, if you wanted another one, you could cut this right here. Maybe shed a few of the bottom leaves off and just stick it in the ground and have another one.
And then we have I think this croton, I don't know, it might have already been there. I'm not sure where that guy came from. And then,
no, you moved that one.
Okay, yeah. So it's a repurposed plant. And then here's another one of these bromeliads that we had in the other bed with the pink tips on them. They're so cool. So cool. All right, so these all have to be extra tough because like she said, we gotta be allowed to have the kids splashing on them.
Climbing over this.
Yeah. All right, what we got back here? So this bed back here isn't quite, I would say the whole area we're going to be still working on. So this is kind of the dungeon back here. This is where we keep the
net
and everything. But here's some more of this kind of variegated snake plant. What kind of banana is that, babe?
This is a dwarf red.
A dwarf red. And this is another one we got as a pup off of one of our other bananas. Now, the soil in here is terrible.
Yeah, I think we're gonna move them.
Yeah, most of these beds are actually just like this pea gravel and sand, which the crotons and the cordyline don't seem to mind, but the bananas, they need more
nutrition.
Yeah, so we're gonna move the bananas out of here. And they also shed stuff too, which can get in the pool pump and stuff. So.
And I don't really want to eat bananas that have been splashed with chlorine.
I agree. Yeah, so we're gonna move those. So here's another free plant we got, or actually both these we got in the landscape piles. Here's a cool cordyline. This is again another one you can just stick right in the ground, no roots or anything.
And then this, I love this vermilion.
And these things get
for this to multiply.
Yeah, they get real big. It looks kind of.
I've wanted one of those for a while.
I'm sorry right now, but that's another free plant.
Yeah.
All right, what we got over here? Got some other beds over here.
Yeah, oyster plant, which we just popped from other spots in the yard.
Yeah, you can see this oyster plant. It is affected a little bit by the chlorine. There's kind of a healthy looking oyster plant.
It doesn't seem to
kind of
kill it though.
No, just
and honestly, just adds a little variation.
Yeah. It doesn't kill it. It just bleaches it, I guess.
Just changes the color. But it's still pretty.
So then we get some more of the snake plant. And then we got this cordyline was actually here when we bought the place, and you can see we've just been cutting pieces off of it and then just sticking them in the ground other places. And this one's a little messy to have hanging over the pool. I find these things in my pool filter a lot, but
yeah, it's not too bad.
It's so cool that we're gonna keep it. So
yeah, it's kind of cool hanging over when you're swimming.
Yeah,
you know, having little plants hanging.
And then this corn palm, there's corn plant right here. We actually got off of our mother corn plant over there, Dracaena I think it's called, and I don't know if you can see, but it's about 20 feet tall. It goes all the way up into this cabbage palm, and this is another one you can just
lop off and stick it
right in the ground. Yeah. And then we got some more oyster plant and stuff right here, little fillers. We'll constantly be tinkering with these little beds, I think, but
yeah.
And then I'm not sure about our choice right here.
The ginger.
Yeah.
And it does have really pretty flowers. I think it needs to be outside.
Yeah, I think this is the same case with the bananas. I think it needs more fertile soil. And also, it is messy. You can see it's gonna create some mess for us. This one's not close to the pool, so it won't drop it directly in, but.
But we'll just wait for more free plants.
Yeah.
And then
So just like, yeah. So all of these cordyline right here, we
moved these
Yeah.
from our front yard.
Yeah, well, those were moved, and then this is a Plant Pirates one, I guess, right here.
Yeah.
I mean, just look at this plant, guys. This is like a $60 plant right here. We just got on the side of the road, and I think we got like 10 of them from that pile, didn't we?
Yeah, and we got some the week after. Too.
Yeah, I mean.
from the same spot. So.
Yeah. Oh, and I forgot, we popped this little vermilion in here. It's another one of these ones with the
striped ones.
Yeah, with the pink tip. But yeah, anyways, that's just a little tour of our pool garden here, and we'd encourage y'all if you live in an area like we do where people put their landscape debris out every week, we'd encourage you to go looking for it, because we're not lying. We got every one of these plants for free.
And these free plants, like, you don't even have to be a good gardener to do well with them.
Yeah.
Because
right, if you're fine.
they're in abundance, obviously, here. So,
but anyways, y'all, I hope you liked our little pool garden tour. We'll probably do this not very often, maybe once every month or two, because we're just going to be. We don't change this out very much, but we will be improving it, over time. So, anyways, we hope you liked our video here. If you did, I finally learned how to put a subscribe button. I think it's in this corner. I don't know, maybe this one. But if you did enjoy our video, we'd appreciate it if you'd consider subscribing to our channel. Until next time, everybody, take care.
bye.